If someone offered you cash for your home tomorrow, would you take it or would you risk the market to get top dollar? Here's the thing, most sellers want both. They want the maximum price and the easiest process, but usually you have to choose convenience with cash or top dollar by listing. Let's break down the pros and cons so you know what's right for you. Hey everybody, it's Gimpert with O'Neill Property Group, and you've probably seen the ads for fast cash offers, right? Everywhere online, postcards in the mail, and even on TV. But here's the real question. Are those cash deals actually better than listing the traditional way? Let's unpack it now. What is a cash offer? Here are the basics. You are selling off market and limiting your buyers to investors. There's no showings, there's no strangers walking through your home. There's no prep work, it's as much of an as-is sale as you can get. There's no finance contingencies and no lender delays. It is not someone with a briefcase of money. Most cash buyers are investors, and they have a line of credit that they will wire in on closing day. There's a fast close, usually within 2 weeks. This is best for people who've inherited a property that they don't want. They're relocating for work, maybe they don't want to deal with repairs or cleaning, or they're going through a divorce or a foreclosure and they need a quick resolution. Maybe it's a landlord with bad tenants, and your house is in disarray and you don't want to pay to fix it up. The trade-off though is you are selling it below market, sometimes between 10 and 15%. So on a $500,000 home, you might only net between $425,000 and $450,000. But some people need to get out from under their house, and the relief it brings to them has value. On the flip side, I've also seen folks regret having tens of thousands on the table. When you sell off market, most people don't know you are selling your home, which limits demand and price. In the end, cash buyers are trying to make a profit, and that is factored into their price, whether they are flipping your house or wholesaling it to someone else. So when does a traditional sale make more sense? If your home is in solid condition and you're not rushed, traditional listings usually net you more money. In Naperville, houses between $500,000 to $700,000, they're still hot, they're still seeing multiple offers, and many are selling above asking price when marketed well. You can also get favorable terms when you list appropriately. What should you expect? You need to get professional photos. There needs to be some showings and maybe some touch-up paint or staging or other repairs. But the reward is tens of thousands of dollars more in equity for your house. I had a client whose timeline was very important to them. Within 48 hours of listing, we received an offer over asking price and on the timeline that they wanted. Sometimes buyers will waive contingencies just to win this market. Yes, it's a bit more effort up front, but the payoff can be huge. You have to ask yourself, what is it worth to be inconvenienced a bit? Is it worth $10,000? So what's best for you? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Some people want maximum price, others want minimum stress. My role, I give you both sides without pressure. What I can provide for you is a realistic open market value, a local cash offer, and you can compare those two side by side. I'm not here to push one way or other. My job is to give you clarity so you don't second guess later on. If you're curious what a cash offer looks like or what you'd get on the open market, let's compare. I can give you a free home valuation. Drop the comment home seller for your home selling options ebook. You can call, text me directly, but at the end of the day, you deserve honest answers